Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text side by side in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to write text side by side. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Then select the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box. Then select some text to another page. Then click copy and go back the first page. Then click inside the text box and paste in this text box. Then go back again the insert menu and again click the text box option and draw another text box. Then go to the another option and select another text. Then paste this text in this text box. Now we can see we write text side by side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.